I'm about to get wet. I am about to get wet. For sure. I'm about to get wet, guys. It's not cool. I am about to get wet. I'm sitting in the front. They got me sitting in the front. Oh, bumpy ride. Oh, no. Who's gonna get wet? I am gonna get wet. I got my hoodie up. I am gonna be soaked for sure. It's coming, guys. It's coming. Oh, look at that! Look at that! That's where it's gonna hit.
That's the first one.
Okay, ready? I like to show you my experience. I hope I don't drop this.
It's coming.
It's coming, guys. It's coming. Look at that right there. One, two, three, two, one. I'm holding up! Woo! Woo! No! I am soaked a little bit. That's not even the big one yet. I'm gonna get really soaked on this one, on this ride. Well, enjoy, guys. Enjoy all this. I think I'm risking losing my camera because the whole right now on this ride. This is a show for you guys, so hit that like and subscribe, guys. Remember. And this is called the Splash Mountain Ride. Here we go, here we go. The small one. The small one. I'm gonna put my feet in. Oh, what's that bad? What's not bad? Okay, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Woo! Oh my God, I am wet. I am wet. I am soaked. I am soaked. My pants is wet. My hoodie is soaked. I am like super soaked right now, guys. I should just wear my short. They warn me right now. You must beware. Okay, this is going to be the highest one right here. show you my reaction. Let me wipe my hand. It's all soaking wet. The throat jump is laughing. Yeah, you laughed me, huh? Yeah, we're about to go to the final one. This is going to be the highest one. There's a camera over there. Okay. This is the final drop, the highest one in this ride, on this ride. I need to hold this camera tight. I do not want to drop it. I am so soaked and wet right now. Okay. I got my hoodie up. You ready, guys? You ready? Look at that. Come on now. Okay. 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 Okay, we are super soaked.
I need a change of underwear. Good thing I have my other shirt.
I forgot to bring an extra pair of clothes. If you guys decide to ride this, remember bring an extra pair of clothes. Oh, you're gonna be like this right here, all soaked and wet. I'm like 90% wet. I think they have another one coming up. Maybe that's it. Oh, and today it's not even sunny. It's cloudy. They sprinkle a little bit when you first arrive. This is not going to be good for me at all. And all this creature right here is celebrating that I am wet. They see it zipping me down. Are you kidding me? I'm like so wet. They sit me down. This ride is about 9 to 10 minutes, estimately. Yeah, it's about 8 minutes, 8.5 minutes. From start to finish, it's about 8.5 minutes. And we are at our final destination. And I hope this is it, because I do not want to get wet anymore. Right. I had to wear my short underneath, but I did. So, great. I think this is it. I'll see you guys in the next ride. Thank you.